When we see around us the ecological conflict and cooperation among members of a population, and among populations of a community, or even the molecular traffic inside a cell, make us deeply reflect on what indeed life is. This question has two implicit questions within it. The first is a technical one and seeks answer to what living is as opposed to the non-living. And the second seeks answer to what the purpose of life is. Being a science student, we will discuss only the first question.
Does that mean second question is less important?
No, second question never has less importance. But since it is out of the syllabus of science, science is incapable of answering it. Now coming to first question, when we think of living, some features comes into our mind, like growth, reproduction, metabolism, ability to sense and respond, and many more. Before answering to the question what living is, let's first understand term defining feature. Defining feature of living are those features which present in all living without any exception and must not present in any non-living. Now let's analyze each feature one by one. Growth. You are well aware that humans grow only up to certain age, hence it is not present in all living. Even you might have seen growing mountain, hence growth can be present in non-living. Therefore growth is not a defining feature. Now coming to reproduction, you might have heard about sterile couple, they can't reproduce. Hence neither reproduction is a defining feature. Now let's discuss about metabolism. It is the sum total of the chemical reactions occurring inside body. One might get confused with metabolic reaction. Metabolic reaction is a living reaction but not a living thing. If metabolic reaction occurs inside body, then we call them metabolism. Since metabolism is exclusively present in all living, hence it is a defining feature. You must keep in mind metabolic reaction is not a defining feature, as it can be performed outside the body in cell-free system. Consciousness. The most complicated features of living is ability to sense and respond to those stimulus, which could be physical, chemical, or biological. As we use our sense organ to sense the environment and respond accordingly. Plants also respond to external environment like pollution, light, water, minerals, etc. All living, whether it is simplest prokaryote or most complicated eukaryote, can sense the environment and respond accordingly. Since consciousness is not present in any non-living, hence we can say consciousness is a defining feature of living. You must note that human is not only conscious, but a self-conscious organism. Again, self-consciousness is not a defining feature. Therefore, we can say that living organisms are self-replicating, evolving, and self-regulating interactive systems capable of responding to external stimuli.